Your MRP system is not broken, but the way your company is using it probably is. Companies invest millions into ERP systems, planning tools, and software upgrades, but they're still missing deliveries, expediting orders, and constantly reacting. So the assumption becomes the system doesn't work. That's the trap. The reality is, MRP is usually doing exactly what it was designed to do. The problem is everything around it. MRP, or Material Requirements Planning, is designed to answer three basic questions. What do we need, how much do we need, and when do we need it? It takes inputs like customer demand, bill of materials, inventory levels, and supplier lead times to generate a material plan. But here's the part most companies don't fully understand. MRP generates an unconstrained plan. It assumes your data is correct, your lead times are accurate, and materials will behave as expected. Planners are spending their entire day expediting. Buyers are chasing suppliers. Orders are sitting in past due. Work orders are not being rescheduled. At that point, everyone starts pointing at the system. But the system isn't the issue. It's reflecting what's happening in the process. MRP doesn't run your operation automatically. It generates signals. These signals show up as exception messages: expedite this order, delay this PO, reschedule this job. That's the system telling you something changed. But when messages are ignored or buried, the plan starts drifting away from reality. This is where we get to the real issue. It's not the system. It's the lack of planning discipline. Planning parameters aren't maintained, lead times are outdated, and no one owns the plan. And when trust goes away, spreadsheets take over, manual workarounds take over, and now you have two systems running at the same time. Companies confuse planning with scheduling. MRP gives you an unconstrained plan. It tells you what should happen, but it doesn't account for machine capacity or labor availability. That's the role of scheduling. Schedulers take that plan and turn it into something executable, but when that handoff is broken, the plan never becomes reality. Fixing MRP starts with fixing the process. First, maintain your planning data. Second, planners must actively review and act on exception messages. That's not optional. That's the job. Third, separate planning and scheduling responsibilities clearly. Planning defines what should happen. Scheduling defines what can happen. When those three things are in place, MRP starts working. MRP is not the problem. It's one of the most powerful planning tools a company can have. But it only works when the process around it is disciplined. It's not because the system is broken, it's because the process is. I'm Michelle with Streamline Consulting Group, your SIOP and supply chain strategist. Let's fix the flow and grow your business. Subscribe, like, and share for more streamlined insights.